Hi everyone, let us start with real numbers, exercise 2.5 and question number 2 today. So write the following in the form of 4 power n, which means you have to express all these given questions in the term of 4 to the powers. So let us start our question. So one more thing, before starting your question, we have to be thorough with the two formulas. Let's have a quick recap of this. A power n into A power n is equal to A power m plus n. But suppose you have 2 here and you have a 5 here, so your answer will be A power 2 plus 5, which is equal to A power 7. So this is one formula you have to remember. Just multiply, add the powers if the base is same. You remember, you can do it only the base is same and you have got your multiplication symbol in between. So the next is A power m, the whole power n is equal to A power mn. You have to multiply your powers, which means if this is 2 and this is 3, what is your answer? Yes, your answer will be 2 times 3, which is equal to A power 6. So with this quick recap, let's move on to the question. The first question is, you have to express 16 in terms of 4 to the power n. So let me write 16 first. We know very well that 16 can be expressed in terms of 4, which means 4 times 4 is 16. If it is a bigger number, we have to go with this factorization method to find the factors. It is easy number, so I am just taking it 4 to the 4 into 4, which means 4 to the 4 is repeated 2 times, which is same as, see here, you can directly write as 4 square. How it came is 4 to the power 1 and 4 to the power 1. So 1 plus 1 we already saw. If you have same base and your m power n means you can add your powers, which means what happened here was 4 power 1 plus 1, which is equal to 4 power 2. So either you can directly write it like this or you can expand and write it like this. 16 equal to 4 power 1 plus 1. So that is equal to 4 square. Finally, we arrived at your answer 4 power n. So next question will be 8. So 8, how do you write? If you could see 8, we know very well it is 2 into 4 or 4 times of 2. 4 is good, 4 power 1. But what happens to this 2? It is not in the fourth power, but we need it in the fourth power only. So what we can do, how to express this 2, somehow we make it equal to 4. How we can make this equal? So what we can do is 2 is equal to square root of 4. Do you remember this? Square root of 4 is 2. So I am going to make use of this in the first line. So 8 is equal to, instead of, I am going to substitute this one. 8 is equal to square root of 4 into 4 power 1. So now, what is square root of 4? As we saw in the first question, square root of 4 means you can write your 4 in terms of 4 to the power 1 by 2 into 4 to the power 1. So now, if you could see, you have got your base same and your powers, two different powers. So you can apply the formula A power m into A power n is equal to A power, what is that? M plus n. To write this formula in brackets, whenever you are going to apply formulas anywhere. So now your answer will be which is equal to 4 power 1 by 2. You have to put plus 1 here. So 4 power 1 by 2 plus 1. So this will be equal to 4 power, what is 1 by 2 plus 1. If you take LCM and all, you will get 1 plus 2 by 2. So that will be equal to your 4 power 3 by 2. So finally we have arrived in the 4 power terms. So here two things you have to remember. First is you have to express your 2 in terms of 4. This is the way you can express your 2 in terms of 4. And another thing, this formula, so you can add your powers and arrive at the 4 power n form. Hope you understood this question. And the next question will be the last one of this, 32. Let me write it here. 30. 1 minute. Okay, 32. So if you could see here, 32, how will you write it? 32 can be written as Just think how to do it, or you can directly go to the factorization form. So first put 4. Do you have 4 in 32? Yes. E 4 the 32. Then do you have another 4 in 8? Yes. Again 4 to the 8. So this confirms your number. If you have got any doubt, just use this factorization method to get your factors. 2 into 2. 4 into 2. So now if you could see, this can be written as 4 power 1. This is 4 power 1. But what happened to this? Again, you have to put your 4 power 1, 4 power 1 into, this can be written as square root of 4. Right? So do remember, you can write in this as since 2 is equal to square root of 4 in brackets, because we are using this over here. And the next step will be club this using your formula. 4 is 4 of 1 plus 1, right? And multiplied by 4 can be written as 1 by 2. So here also write your formula. A power m into a power m is equal to a power m plus n. So this is your formula you applied here. Next, what we can do is this is equal to 4 power 2 into 4 power 1 by 2. Again, we are going to use the same formula. So that will be 4 power 2, and we have to add these two. That will be 2 plus 1 by 2, right? Add the powers when you have the same base. So what is 2 plus 1 by 2? Take the LCM. We have got 1 here. So LCM will be 2. So your answer will be 4 power 2 becomes 4, right? 4 plus 1 by 2. Be careful when you take the LCM. If you are not clear with taking the LCM, take the numbers sidewise and take the LCM. So this will be equal to 4 power 5 by 2. So this is the answer. So hope you understood this. This part also hope you understood well. 2 plus 1 by 2 I have taken the LCM. So thank you so much. We have expressed everything in terms of 4 to the powers 4 square, and x is 4 power 3 by 2 and 4 power 5 by 2.